Meet the emu, fast, fearless, and built for survival. These birds can sprint up to 50 km/h,
Jump nearly 2 meters high.
and thrive in the toughest environments.
With powerful legs.
They can outrun predators and even kick with the force of a heavyweight boxer.
But did you know?
They once fought a war against humans.
In 1932,
Australia declared war on 20,000 emus invading farmlands. Soldiers armed with machine guns tried to stop them. But the emus had other plans.
too fast, too smart, too determined. The emus dodged every ambush. After weeks of failure, the humans admitted defeat.
The Great Emu War was won by the birds. Today, the emu remains a symbol of resilience and strength.
Nature's unstoppable warrior.
The undefeated champion of the animal kingdom.
Respect the emu.